Previously on Painting with Chuck Lee, I reached out to one of my oldest friends about linking up while he was in town for the Anderson .Paak concert. As I was reaching out, I thought maybe he could facilitate me making him a painting. So I asked him. He hit me back and let me know that he could for sure get it in his hands. And yo, that was all I needed to get started. I thought maybe, just maybe, there'd be a chance for me to get to meet him, and I asked Phil if he thinks that maybe we could work that out. He told me he would try his hardest, and that was enough for me. As long as he was getting the painting, I was cool. So it's a month before the show, and I thought it would be cool if one of my favorite artists came with Katie and I to the show. I knew Tin Hun was an Anderson .Paak fan, and I thought it would be so cool if he came with us, so I gave him a call. Yo, Pete, you down to go see Anderson .Paak, dog?
Yeah, I'm down.
I was like, yo, tight. I felt like it would be really cool to share this experience with him, as he's always been a really big supporter of my art, and at this point I would really consider him a good friend. I then went ahead and made sure we all had tickets for the show. I got us all lawn tickets for the amphitheater the show was at. The tickets were kind of far from the stage, but I figured that'd be fine, and I didn't want to stress Phil out about getting us closer. He was already doing so much by even facilitating me giving them the painting, let alone anything else that he was trying in the background to do. So no stress to Phil. I got Katie, Pete, and myself tickets, so we were going and we were gonna see a show no matter what. So it's show day, and I don't know what to expect. I just had a feeling that it was gonna be epic, knowing that I was going to a great show that I missed out the first time around. This is his first album, so I missed it. I didn't even really know about him until after the album. This is the album that really made me fall in love with Anderson .Paak's music and his band, and it was so dope that he decided to tour this album again. A few days prior, I thought it would be a good idea to make Phil a little goodie bag of Chuck Lee merch, just for a little appreciation for the love that he showed. I made him a Bob Marley hoodie from the painting that I made, go check that one out, as well as a Catwoman t-shirt. Yeah, go check that design out too. I also made him a personalized hoodie with a painting that I did for our old label mate J-Dub. J-Dub unfortunately passed away last year, and it really hit us all really hard. Both Phil and myself had made joint albums with them, and I put the album cover for their project together on his sleeve, and I made another one with the album that we did on a hoodie for myself. I made the painting of J-Dub while mourning his loss. It was really hard, and I didn't, everybody grieves different, and I used that painting as my grieving process. I never released the video for that, and not sure I ever will, but wanted Phil to have the art on the hoodie to remember the times we had with J-Dub and just the times we had with Mad Blunted Music. I also threw in some custom koozies and some stickers. Pete then got to the house, and after showing him all my stuff like a little kid, I was like, check out my studio, check out my living room. This is the first time he was ever over there. It was fun. After showing him around, Katie, Peter, and I, we hit the road.
Chuck Lee has made a painting for Anderson .Paak. He is on a mission to try and give this man this piece of artwork. International musical sensation Anderson .Paak and world famous artist Chuck Lee are going to be joining forces to create something magical.
It had been about 3 or 4 years since I saw him last time he was in Detroit, and it was like always super dope to catch up with him and give him the merch I made him, especially the joint for J-Dub. I could tell he was happy to see me too and meet my lovely lady and good buddy Tin Hun. He then told us to follow him to the back where the buses were. He introduced us to a few of the people that he was working with on tour, and then opened all of his goodies. He gave us all beers and said that he was gonna go deliver the painting. We sat and kicked it with some of the people there and had a few more drinks on the bus. After some time, Phil came back and he said to the three of us, "Put your drinks down and follow me." Katie and I kind of looked at each other and said nothing, and immediately put our drinks down and followed. None of us talked the whole walk to what looked like behind the stage. We walked into this trailer and stood there with some of the other people working on tour. And then he came out of one of the back rooms and said, "Yo," and he gave me a big hug. Guys, I fanboyed the F out. Introduced him to Katie and Tin Hun and just really let him know how much this meant to me. He said he was gonna check out the video as well as the painting process. And then he let Pete take a little more footage. Yo, with the homie Anderson .Paak, I hope you like your painting, man.
It's
It's such
appreciate it, man.
appreciate everything that you do. a lot to me, man.
For sure.
For sure. Guys, at this point, it was mission accomplished. I was ready to go hit the lawn seats and just enjoy the show. We decided to go back to the buses and hang out for a bit, and here's a little clip of right after that meet. I just got to meet the man, the myth, the legend himself. I can't believe this. I can't believe it. Such a pleasure. He's such a cool guy, and I knew that I was painting for somebody that was on a level like that, and I'm so glad that he was and took the time out to meet us and hang out. I'm on top of the world. I can't wait for this show. Let's get it. Guys, right after that clip, Phil rolled back up and was like, take these. They were pit tickets for the show. This is right up to the stage. You got front row, and then you got the pit that's in front of front row. It was so crazy. He then escorted us on the stage and straight to the pit. It was so wild being on that stage and really seeing behind the scenes of an artist this big. I was in awe the whole experience. And it was funny because when we were on the stage going to the pit, one of Ten Hun's fans was like, yo, Ten Hun. And he was all like, yo. It was hilarious. And what an experience it was. At first we were right up on the stage, but being the music engineer master that Ten Hun is, we moved back a little bit and to the right to get the best audio acoustics in the house. It was banging over there too. I even ran into one of my old buddies and his wife while we were there, and it was so dope to catch up with him as well. I was so lost in the moment and didn't even think to get any video footage, but thank God for my homie Ten Hun for capturing so many good points of the show and really making this video even possible in the first place. I truly had the time of my life. After the epic show, the three of us, we went back to the buses to hang out with Phil some more and even got the chance to meet some of the band. We had a few more beers and just vibed out. Honestly, so much of the night is like a blur. I do remember a lot of parts, but I was just on cloud nine the whole time. All I can really say is I had the biggest gap tooth smile on my face all night. Luckily, Katie stayed sober for us and she got us home safe. Thank you, Boo Bob. Pete and I then stayed up for a while just playing records in my living room and just recapping the perfect, dope, crazy, and just wonderful night that we just had. Guys, if you have a dream, pursue it. Shoot that shot, If I wouldn't have reached out to Pete and been up there yo, can I come out to your studio and help you out? I wouldn't have never become good friends with the legend 1000. If I didn't reach out to my boy Phil and say, hey, you think I could come to the show? Or hey, do you think I could paint him a painting? Then I never would have gotten a chance to paint Anderson Paak a painting and meet him in real life. Shoot your shot. I'm a little channel and a novice artist, if I'm telling the truth. There's so much room to grow, but I've had experiences of the lifetime that you can have too. Stay tuned to the end so we can get into that giveaway. Alright guys, me and my boot bop, like I said, we are gonna announce the winner of the giveaway, the Milestone giveaway. It's crazy because at the time I think I was at 5,000, maybe 6,000, yeah. And now we just pushed past 7,000, and yeah, this is Thank you. All right, so we had 29 people that entered this giveaway. So what I'm gonna do is I've got a picture of all of the people that submitted for the giveaway, and I'm gonna have Katie Cakes here. I'm gonna have her pick a number between 1 and 29, and then I'm gonna count down the list to see who the winner is going to be. So, my boot bop, pick a number between 1 and 29.
I pick 15.
15, all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, we've got K-Montis Art. There it is. All right. So, woo! If you're the winner, I just need you to email me at chuckleeart and just let me know that you're the winner, and then we're gonna figure out with your size, if you want a t-shirt, if you want a hoodie, and what design you want. One of them bad boys. Yeah, and I'm just so happy to do this,
You know what? This was so fun. Can we do another one?
You want to do another one?
Yeah, let's do another one.
All right,
you guys think we should do another one?
All right, let's do another one. All right, I'm picking up between 1 and 29.
This time, let's do 29.
29, all right. So the last person to enter was Voms777. Right.
Woo!
Yeah. If you are the winner, then please, yeah, same shit. Oops.
Same thing.
Same thing.
Same stuff. Same junk.
Yeah, that's cool. I don't want to stop at 2. Let's make it a nice odd number. Let's do one more. All right. Picking up a little bebop. One more number.
Bebop chooses 11 for her birthday month.
11. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is Frederick Nazario.
Alvarado.
Frederick Nazario Alvarado. Yeah. Right there.
Do the beauty thing.
Yep. All right, yeah. So those are the 3 winners. Please. Congratulations. Get at me again at chuckleeart@gmail.com if you're one of these winners, and we will work out all the details, and I will ship out your stuff.
Get you some free stuff.
Yo, peace, love, and I'll catch you in the next time for some more sweet shit.
Bye.